Utlangaha social media. No left, no right. Connect with us and get it straight.
Veena's greetings and heartiest welcome to all our viewers of Utlangaha News. Dear friends, the state of Chhattisgarh is surrounded by the beauty of Mother Nature. But due to lack of information, many tourists miss the opportunity to visit these beautiful places in Chhattisgarh. Today, take a tour at your convenience to Korba's Buka Vihar in Chhattisgarh through our social media segment on Utlangaha News.
Utlangaha social media. No left, no right. Connect with us and get it straight.
But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube news channel Utlangaha News.
Utlangaha social media. No left, no right. Connect with us and get it straight.
Buka Vihar, decorated by dense forests, high mountains and alluringly beautiful nature, is breathtaking and bound to leave the visitors enchanted. This charming picnic spot, built on the banks of Bango river, located at only 65 kilometers from Korba in Chhattisgarh, is a fruitful outcome of the dedication and hard work of the Chhattisgarh Forest Department. In Buka Vihar, one can enjoy sightseeing, boating and relaxing facilities with delicious food and excellent service. Heavenly panoramic views of this picturesque spot take visitors to a new world where the warm rays of the sun kiss the beautiful lake to create a golden aura. Surely, the thrill of wild animal sightings and a tight cordon of security that balances adventure with trust are bound to keep you enthralled for a lifetime. Chhattisgarh's Buka Vihar is best enjoyed during October to February when the enchanting Buka is completely soaked in the peak of mesmerizing nature, making it worth visiting from any corner of the world. Even those who have witnessed and lost their hearts to its magnificence may feel short of words to describe their experience at Buka Vihar. Come and experience it yourself.
Utlangaha News, the Fusion Talk. Be the first to get the latest news on your YouTube news channel. Catch the spark at your fingertip on your mobile. Sukhwa Pahati, the morning tide on Utlangaha News channel. Kickstart and bright up your day with daily horoscope and Yog Dhyan. Sor Sandesh, the buzz on Utlangaha News channel. National and international bulletin in Chhattisgarhi and English language. Whatever your concern may be, we are here to set you free. Kill off all your doubts from the root through Utlangaha's Udhedbun program. Khau Khazana, the government on Utlangaha News channel. Explore unique and mouth-watering multi-cuisine recipes. Drive away all your tensions forever in Khadar Masar Midlay, a bold talk show on Utlangaha News channel, rapidly connecting with people. Gothkar, the prologue on Utlangaha News. Work speaks 1,000 words. Watch success stories of achievers that keep you inspired in life. Clash of political titans on Kibid Khabad World War on Utlangaha News channel. Utlangaha social media. No left, no right. Connect with us and get it straight.